Hello everyone, welcome to Macro Math. In this lesson, we will learn how to convert between percentage and decimal. Here we have 5 different percentages. To convert these percentages to decimal numbers, we will divide each percentage by 100%. So 1000% divided by 100% equals 10, 200% divided by 100% equals 2, 100% divided by 100% equals 1, 75% divided by 100% equals 0.75, and 23% divided by 100% equals 0.23. Notice how the percentage sign disappeared. The reason is that when we divide a percentage sign by another percentage sign, the percentage signs cancel out. If you don't like dividing numbers, let me show you a shortcut where you don't have to divide. Let's say we have to convert 50% to a decimal. First, we write the 50% with the decimal. Then we move the decimal 2 places to the left. Remember to take away the percentage sign and we end up with 0.5. Now let's see how we can convert decimal to percentage. Let's say we want to convert 0.82 to a percentage using our shortcut. We move the decimal in 0.82 2 times to the right. Then we add the percentage sign, giving us 82%. The more common way to convert is to multiply the decimal by 100%. Let's multiply 0.82 by 100%. So 0.82 times 100 is 82. And since we multiply by a percent, we add a percent sign at the end and result with 82%. So what does 100% really represent? 100% means everything multiplied once. Let's say we want to find the percentages of 10. In this case, everything represents 10. Let's show that using these 10 circles. Let's say we want to find 100% of 10. 10 multiplied once is 10. What about 200% of 10? Note that 200% is twice of 100%, and 10 multiplied twice is 20. Next, let's try finding 50% of 10. 50% is half of 100%, and 10 multiplied by a half is 5. That's the end of this video. If you have any questions, comment down below and we'll respond.
Ha 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 ha!